Hello, and welcome to XRP Shorts. Today's question is, can transactions be rolled back? So just take a few seconds to answer that. So do you think that is possible or that it isn't possible? And the answer to that is no. Transaction cannot be rolled back. As soon as one of the validators receives the transactions and broadcasts it to all the other validators, they agree on it and it gets persisted. After that, there's nothing you can do to take it back or to change that. As soon as that happens, so if you send the funds to another account, they arrive there and the transaction is complete. So yeah, so there's the answer. The only person, for example, if you send from one account XRP to another one, is the holder of the second account. So if you, for example, send XRP from your XRP account to an exchange, that exchange has then access to the XRP you've sent to them. So that is quite obvious. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.